Since there are not many actions that we can do to improve the results in our Performance Max campaign, it's very important to analyze the results for our assets. In Downline, you will see how your assets have performed in a specific period. In the section Converters, you will find all your assets that got conversions for the period and more KPIs that are interesting for you, and all the info that you need to find the asset in Google Ads. And also, it's very important to see who has created the asset. Most of the times, the converter assets are assets that the advertiser created. But in the section Wasted Budget, you will find the assets that did not have conversions, but they spent budget. If the spend is low, there is not a problem. But for example, this asset spent more than 200 euros. And maybe it's getting clicks, but the users that are clicking are not interested in this kind of product. And maybe it's better to replace this asset for an asset using the same style as the asset converters. In the ugly section, we will find the asset that got impressions but no clicks. Here, usually we find assets created automatically by Google. Sometimes, even if the SEM manager has turned off this option, Google remains creating new assets. Try to exclude the assets and to improve the assets that are having a lot of impressions and no clicks. In the section Zombies, you will see all the assets that didn't have any impression for the period. If you find assets that are very important for you to show, but they are not having impressions, maybe they are being cannibalized by other assets. Try to improve your assets to have the best ads in Performance Max campaign.